Another one of the fun toys at the studio to use is the slant board. The slant board's fantastic because it attacks sagittal plane motion of our ankle bending. So what that would be is if you look down at the ankle, it's when the ankle bends that way. Okay, this is a motion that often becomes limited, especially with ladies if you're wearing like high heels or if you sit a lot. You know, fashion definitely comes at a price. And when we're wearing high heels, you'll see that basically this is the position of the foot. Now this is a very fabulous shoe if your heel is that high. But you can see that all these muscles back here are in a shortened, contracted posture. So what you'll want to do prior to starting your workout session is go ahead and mobilize your ankle so that it can come back to a resting, more functional length. And here's an easy way to do it in the TrueStretch. You can start with whichever foot you'd like. You put your foot flat onto the slant board, and you need to find the level that's good for you. This might be a little high, but it is adjustable. So you can go down to the lower one or higher as need be. So what you want to do is just place the foot straight. You're going to put your opposite foot up onto the platform, and your hands will just be comfortably resting at your side. From here, what you're going to do very gently is bend your knee forward. Now, because the slant board is going to start you in a slanted position, you may not have to bend your knee very far forward. This is a fairly subtle motion, and what you'll feel is a stretch through these muscles in here. Don't go and force it to the point where your heel's lifting off the ground or your knee is bending. Keep your knee locked and your heel down, and identify where your range of motion is for this exercise. So what I'd recommend is try it out for 30 seconds per side and then do a self-assessment to say, hey, this one side was really much tighter than the other one, and then I would recommend a 2-to-1 ratio. So you stretch the tighter side twice and the more mobile side once for 30 seconds each.